Today? Ha! Doon ka na! So, ayun nga po guys, I'm sorry for that interruption. That is why I'm gonna call... Ma! Doon ka na! Doon ka na! Ma! So what is up guys, it's Scarlett here, and in this video, as you may have read on the title, this video is going to be another hair coloring video. Because, gusto ko kulayan ang buhok ko, obviously, I always wanna color my hair. So yan. So if you haven't been here, I haven't been here either, so I'm very sorry. And ayon, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my videos. I'm so happy that you're still watching because it's been months since the last time I've uploaded something here. This year is 2020 and I want to change myself. I want to change this YouTube channel. I have no idea. I want to take this wherever it will take me. I want to take this seriously. So that is my goal for 2020. Diba? As you can tell from the video nga, ayon, I'm gonna color my hair Scarlet because I'm Scarlet, and it's just fitting that I will color my hair Scarlet. Duh. Terribly sorry if I haven't been uploading. I want to change that, you know? It's a new year, it's a new me, and ayun nga. Since the last video, I have done so... Bakit? So, ayun nga po guys, it's been a while, you know. Life has been so busy. Yon, I'm in college now. If you haven't, kung hindi ko pa ata nasabi, alam ko nasabi ko na yun sa previous videos ko. I have no idea. Basta yon, the hair color that I'm gonna use for today is, this is, oh, diba? Kararating lang rin niya today, so I'm very happy with that. So, ayun. And the hair color that I chose is syempre Scarlet, and this is from Arctic Fox. Well, actually they don't have a scarlet na color, pero they have red, which is Scarlet red. Hindi ako art major, so if you're wondering, pol-sci student ako. I'm currently in LaSalle, and actually may pasok na kami next, ano ba ngayon, Friday? See, hindi pa ako pumapasok guys. I got long hair na, bish. Do you see this? Do you see this? But you know what? I was really bored with it, so I had to change it up a little. A little backstory din sa hair ko. So ito yung time na kinolor ko yung hair ko ng pink. Remember that, guys? Yun yung bleach ko. Actually, yung kung paano ko to bleach is just the same as that. Ayun nga. So, ayun. So, ayan siya ngayon. It's this color. Kasi nga kinulayan ko siya ng permanent black kasi nga nagalit tatay ko. So, ayun. Well, that was April. Wala pang isang linggo yung buhok ko nun. Pinakulayan niya na agad sa akin, which is sad. And ever since, pinapahaba ko lang yung buhok ko. Ayun. As you can tell. Siguro after Christmas, I really wanna color my hair. So, pinilit ko ulit yung mom ko na nagpaalam ako ulit. So, yun. I forced my mom to let me color my hair. So, yun. So, and obviously, ayokong pumunta sa salon kasi it's too fucking expensive. And I don't want that. So, ayun nga. So, that's backstory of my hair. Bumili na ako ng purple shampoo just to destroy the golden choo-choos there. May golden choo-choos dyan. Kasi, bawal. So, I'm not a hair expert or anything. Napapanood ko lang sa YouTube. Anyways, let's part our hair. Okay, so this is the hair. Oh, look at me. I'm so pretty. So, ganito lang karami po yung kukulayan natin. Ito lang. Wala akong haluin na kahit ano kasi I wanted to be as vibrant as it can. And this is red. So, I don't think napapangit siya sa akin. Hopefully. Wish me luck. Yes! Mukha akong nabagok sa ulo. Wow, acting! Nautot ako doon. Anyways, ayun nga po guys. I will be right back. And hopefully, tuyo na to. And maganda yung payoff. Sana! PRB! Okay, wait lang. Hindi ko pa nakikita. Oh my God. I just blow dried my hair. Pero hindi ko pa siya nakikita kasi isa lang ang salamin namin dito sa kwarto. So, this is gonna be the first time. Please don't mind my legs. Oh my God. Sana maganda. Burger. Oh my God. I'm fucking speechless. I am speechless right now. This is the hair color that I never knew. I can't even make words right now. Girl, ang ganda! Oh my God, ang angas ko tignan. Look how good that shit is. Oh my God. Hindi ako mahuhuli ng dad ko. Oh, ayan, my word. Hindi ako mahuhuli ng dad ko and oh my God, I'm so fucking happy right now. This is not my hair color. This is gonna be the hair color of the century. This is gonna be the hair color of 2020. This is the hair color that I never knew I wanted. I never knew I needed in my life. This is fucking pretty. The red, oh my God, this hair color is amazing. It's very vibrant. Ayun. Maya! Wag ka maingay! Higa! Maya! Ayan. And by the way, if Maya! Labas! So yun nga po guys, if you want to try this hair color out, yon, I will link it down below. So yun nga po guys, so that's the end of the video. I do hope that you enjoy this video. So yon, so leave a like, comment down below what you think, and subscribe to my channel. That's it for this video. Bye!